Good morning, students. Welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to discuss another chapter of GK, which is Dances of India. So, Dances of India. India has many dances coming from every state in the country. Do you know there are so many dances and every state have their own dances? Although there are only six forms of the classical dances recognized by India on a national level, and there are many kinds of dances like classical, folk dance. So there are Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, and Odissi. So the folk dances of India are much more than mere body movement from the every ancient times. The classical dance form of India is considered as a discipline and a way to devote yourself to God through art. Do you know what is the meaning of dance? Dance means the movement of body in a rhythmic way or for the purpose of experiencing an emotion or idea. Through dance, you can express your emotion and a way to devote yourself to God through art. So let's start and talk about various dances of India. Yes, students. First dance is that is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the oldest classical dance tradition of India, and the dance form was prevalent in ancient Tamil Nadu, and several books have quoted them such as Natya Shastra. And it is one of the most popular and widely performed dance style, and it is practiced by male and female dancers all over the world. And like other dances, in Bharatnatyam too has different postures and poses, and the different body movement called karnas are beneficial to improve balance in Bharatnatyam. Yes, students, next dance is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is one of the major Indian classical dances. It originated in a village named Kuchipudi in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. The purpose of these dances was to cult of bhakti. Cult means a person or a thing that has become popular with a particular group of people, and the purpose and unconditional devotion towards the god of the Hindus mythology, and to establish a direct connection between devotees and deities through the channel of dance. Another dance form that is Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is one of the famous classical dances of India that developed and remained popular in the state of Kerala. And Kathakali is one of the another classical dance form of Kerala. Yes, students, another dance form that is Odissi. Odissi is a dance form from the state of Odisha in eastern India. Odissi performers have also expressed idea of other traditions such as those related to Hindu gods, Shiva and Surya, as well as Hindu goddess. Yes, students, next dance is Kathak. Kathak is one of the eight major forms of Indian classical dance. The popular and recognized form of classical Indian dance is Kathak that originated from Uttar Pradesh in North India. In Kathak, emphasis gives on poses, expression, grace, hand, eye, body movement and footwork. Yes, students, next dance is Manipuri. Manipuri dance is one of the major Indian classical dance forms named after the region of its origin, Manipur, a state in northeastern India bordering with Myanmar, Assam, Nagaland, and Mizoram. Yes, students, next dance is Garba. Garba is a form of dance which originates from the state of Gujarat in India. The name is derived from the Sanskrit word garb and deep. Many traditional garbas are performed around centrally lit lamp or a picture or statue of the goddess Shakti. Yes, students, next dance that is folk dance that is from Punjab, that is Bhangra. Bhangra is an energetic folk dance and music form that originated from Punjab, India. The dance was associated with the spring harvest festival Vaisakhi, And Bhangra is also a well-known traditional and colorful and Indian dance form of Punjab. Last dance, that is Bihu dance. The Bihu dance is an indigenous folk dance from the Indian state of Assam related to the Bihu festival and an important part of Assami culture. In Bihu, uh, the young man and woman performed in a group, and the dancing style is characterized by brisk step and rapid hand movements. So students, I hope you have enjoyed the video and you must have learned various types of classical dances and folk dances from different states. So please read and revise this chapter again. Thank you and have a nice day.